This guide provides detailed instructions for navigating through the Prosper module to perform various tasks related to sales, invoices, purchase orders, and more. From the Home dashboard, navigate to the Prosper module and select Sales. The Sales module launches the Deals dashboard, facilitating efficient management of tenders and quoted projects. This dashboard offers monthly forecasts, monitors the sales pipeline, and displays individual employee forecasts. Sub-tabs at the top category deal with their status. To create a new deal, click the plus icon in the toolbar. Enter the name and company details and include the amount if available. The drop-down lists for company and contact feature an Add New option. You can also enter the amount later to ensure it accurately reflects your quotation. Open a deal to access all information related to the tender. The toolbar offers options for quickly creating quotes or adding notes, tasks, files, or events. Use the Change Stage feature to update the deal status as it advances through each stage. Clicking the Quotes tab on the left panel opens the Quotes dashboard, where you can view the complete life cycle of each quote, customizable to your preferences. From this section, you can also easily create a new quote. To create a new quote, click the plus icon. The quote number will be generated automatically, but you can modify it as needed. Please enter the relevant quote details, including a clear description, and select the customer. To select an existing project, simply choose it from the list provided. If the project isn't listed, a new one will be created automatically as part of the workflow, which will be covered in a subsequent step. To finalize your selection, click the tick icon in the toolbar. Add a new section by clicking the plus icon in the toolbar. Each section you create within a quote becomes a milestone for your project. The milestone name should be relevant to the task, as the milestones become the task descriptions for scheduling and job creation. Select the section name to begin building the quote. Choose an item type from the following options: stock, non-stock, or one-off item. For this demonstration, we will select non-stock. To add an item, navigate to the non-stock subfolders and select the desired product category. For this example, we'll choose equipment. Keep in mind that the available categories may differ based on your company's specific configuration. Specify the required quantity before clicking Add Items. After adding all line items, return to the quote using the back arrow. Continue to build the quote by adding sections and items against the sections. Once complete, use the Submit button to finalize the quote. You can set up delegation of authority for quote approvals. Once configured, this feature allows designated managers to review and approve quotes, streamlining your approval process for greater efficiency. Once the quote has been approved, proceed to confirm it. After confirmation, take a moment to review the details, including the date, customer information, section specifics, and any related projects if applicable. If a project wasn't created and linked during the quoting process, you can easily initiate a new project from the quote by clicking the Create Project button. The project name will automatically default to the quote name, but it can be edited if desired. Select Save and then click OK in Project Creation pop-up. The project has been successfully created and linked to the quote. You can now choose to view the project. Invoices are associated with the project's milestones and are issued directly from the project.